E-bikes, yeah, they're everywhere these days. And with their speed, their weight, and quiet operation, accidents are becoming more and more common and pretty complicated too. Welcome to Local Living. I'm Brian Thomas. As those e-bikes are becoming more and more popular by the day, they don't always fit into existing laws. And that's why Ash Watkins from Salmon Ash Injury Law is back with us to break down e-bike accidents, liability, and what you need to know. Welcome back.
Thank you for having me.
So why are these getting so tricky?
Yeah, so as you mentioned, e-bikes are much heavier and much faster than regular bikes, but they're still somewhat classified as regular bicycles. And what that means is there's no driver's license, there's no registration, there's no minimum insurance requirement. So if someone's operating an e-bike at 15 to 30 miles an hour and they hit you or your vehicle, it's very likely that they don't have insurance that'll cover it, making this very complicated.
Very much so. So if you get in an accident and an e-bike rider hits you, who's actually responsible in recovering damages? Why is that so difficult?
Yeah, so in Nevada, we're an at-fault state, and what that means is whoever caused the accident is responsible for paying those damages. And so first and foremost, you look to see, do they have a insurance policy that'll cover this e-bike? Do they have an e-bike policy? Very unlikely today. They're still new, they're coming around. Then you look to homeowners or renters insurance because their personal liability policy might cover them. And then last, you look to personal assets like their home, their wages. Very difficult to pursue assets to recover. And then last but not least, you'll look to your own auto insurance policy. If you have uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage, you might be able to get it there, but as you can tell, it's complicated.
Yes, very complicated at that. So, okay, what changes if an e-bike rider is a minor or someone's on a delivery job?
Yeah, so if an e-bike rider is a minor, you'll look to personal responsibility laws. So most likely the parent or parental responsibility laws. So the parent will be in charge of covering those damages. And usually, again, it'll go down to their homeowners or renters policy. And then if someone's on the job while operating an e-bike, if they're in the course and scope when they cause that accident, you're going to look to their employer's insurance policy to cover the accident.
So tell us about the steps. What's the most important thing if you are to get in an accident with an e-bike?
First and foremost, 911 or medical treatment. Get healthy, get safe, get recovery, get those injuries, no matter how minor they are, get them looked at, because something small could be much larger, especially the amount of times the head's involved in these accidents, and we're not riding around or walking around wearing helmets. So medical treatment first and foremost. Document everything, the bike, your car, where it happened, everything. If the other person has an identification card, get that information too. And then last but not least, really, this is a scenario where you want to talk to an injury attorney, because we deal with this insurance policy landscape day in and day out, and this is one where you don't want to go at it alone. So call an accident attorney before you talk to either their insurance policy or your own.
Got it. Wow, thorough. Very, very good information right there. Salmon Ash Injury Law. You can find them at 1108 South Casino Center Boulevard. That's the corner of Charleston and Casino Center in the Arts District. SalmonAshLaw.com. You can call them 702-820-1234. Ash, as always, thank you for coming back and letting us know everything.
Thank you. Yes,
right.
thank you.
We'll see you soon, of course.
Yes.
All right. And thank you for watching Local Living. We'll see you next time.